So I went shopping and I want to show you what I have bought from Dimes Million Boutique. So if you guys don't know who is Dimes, Dimes is a social media person that I met online. I follow her for the past couple of years. Her name was DVH, and then it's changed to Dimes Million Boutique. So I know her from DVH. I used to follow her page when she was DVH. And then for some reason, our page get lost and I couldn't find her because it changed to Dimes Million. And I was missing from her page for a while. And then I eventually find her back as Dimes Million. And I start following her maybe a little over 2 years now. And Dimes Million. So I tend to buy things from her and I always feel so happy when I purchase things because with Dimes Million, she share her size, what she's wearing. And I like that because nowadays you can't able to go into the store all the time and you shop online. And a lot of the time I have to return them. So nowadays when I buy things from Dimes, I tend to get what I want because I'm not an online shopper like that. I like to go into the store and fit my clothes. I was always scared. So when I just started to purchase from Dimes, I used to just buy what I feel like I was going to buy. And I think that that would work. So eventually I was giving away the first set of stuff them that I bought. But after I get in with Dimes and she started to explain her her stuff and her brand and what her sizes are and her height, I don't see anybody doing that. So I started to use my judgment from her. And now I can able to buy my clothes and be comfortable in them. So let me see what I order. And I bought a lot of top from her, a lot of stuff. I haven't bought any shoes yet because, you know, my foot big. So, and I like fitting my shoes just like I used to like fitting my clothes. But I will, you know, test it out eventually. But right now, I have so much of my clothes in my closet. I've as Dimes Million. I have a lot of my stuff as Dimes Million. So I got this package because I ordered some stuff. And sometimes I don't even remember what I ordered. But let me just show you the box. Yes, so this is the box. I'm going to open it from Dimes. Professional packaging. See? Look at this. Normally some of my stuff I would get it in her Dimes Million bags. But this is, look at this. So classy. So classy. Okay, so this is a mug. Yes, this is a mug that I bought from her. She started up our collection. Yeah, Dimes Million. See that? So I got my mug from her. And she have two sizes. She have the large and she have the medium. And sometimes I really wanted a large cup of tea. So I choose the large cup because sometimes I just really want a large cup of tea. Okay. I saw her sister. Her sister was in this top. So I get this top from her. Yeah. Oh, shucks. What? What is happening? I gotta try this. Oh, okay. Let me see. So, yeah, I got two. Same thing. I gotta try this. It kind of looks small. Yeah, these kind of look small to me. I hope they'll fit. It said XL, but I hope this fit. I gotta try it. Mm. Oh, the texture. Oh, the texture of this. It's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try these. Mm. And this is a gift. Thank you, Dimes. If you ever come across this video. So this is a gift because Dimes is my place. Yep, Dimes is my place. All right, so I'm gonna fit them. I'm gonna put on an undershirt because the fabric sometimes it will scratch my skin. I have to put on an undershirt because these make in the factory where they put them anywhere. So you gotta rinse your clothes before you try them on. So that I have my t-shirts and I'm excited. So let me go fit them. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is an extra large, but extra large on me is very roomy. So this is more of a fitted top. I have purchased extra large from Dimes before and they are very, very roomy. But those top were like unisex top. But this is a female top, but it fit to me like a medium. It fit on me like a medium. Yeah. I don't know what kind of belly skin this may show, but just showing you, I have my undershirt on and it kind of fit closed. So I'm gonna try another one. I haven't wear a fitted t-shirt like this in a long time. I always wear my top roomy, but this hug me. So you know why I wear them roomy? Because I don't want it to show up my tires. And this is showing up my tires a lot. So yeah, you see that? Showing up my tire, man. Yep. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try another one, but I have learned something. Yep. Let's try another one. Okay, so this is a large and this is roomy. I purchased an extra large, but it was way too big. I think the medium would have fit me perfectly, but I'll keep the large because I like my t-shirt roomy. But a medium would fit me perfectly in this one. It's really nice. I love the texture. Oh my gosh. Yeah. See that? I love this. This is ready to go into the lot. For me to wear this, I have to lose some pounds. You see? Look, the belly show up in it too much. Belly show up in there. For me to wear this, I have to lose up more weight up on belly. If it was last year, January, this could not fit me. Yeah, because we lose weight. Because we lose weight. See? Look, the tight is fitted. can see me hanging. These fit. These these clothes, I mean, these are clothes. I did want to be more like this, you know? Hang out with it. But it's stretched. The good thing about it, it's stretched. So it will eventually come down to size. Gotta stretch it out. It's new. Okay. Oh yeah. See, it's stretched. Okay. Right. It will eventually come down to under one. Material stretch. You'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. The more stretchy material. Come down to size. You good. At least you're not tight up. You see that? You're not so tight up on the belly. Stretch material. See? Wow. Okay. So the material just tight, but it's stretched. It's stretched to the right side. Then t-shirt, yeah. See? So when you wash it now, I'm not gonna put it to dry too much in the dryer. But I'm gonna shrink it up again. It come down to size. Okay, so it's perfect. It's perfect. But I have my undershirt there, so if you come down, I'll hide that. Tire. The tire? Yeah. You see the tire gone? The brazier need to be broad after I get tired and it fit. One more to go. And you guys see this. Stretch it before. You put it down. What's a black make couldn't feel. Yeah. The t-shirt then is the right thing. It's the right size. Yeah. Just gotta stretch them out a little bit if they're too close up on you. But them fit perfectly now. See? They fit nice. Nice. Black idea fat. See? Nice. Up close. Black idea. I have in another closet here. Yes. I wear this lately when I went to Ireland. Much t-shirt in another closet. I see a t-shirt in another closet there. Look how them crush up. Them two bungle up now, man. Yes, we can take down some. I'm not like personally, I'm not like this. And this fit me nicely too. But this, you see, this one is a unisex t-shirt. So it's like a man or woman t-shirt. This t-shirt is definitely a woman t-shirt. This one, this quality is a woman. This is a unisex, so man or woman can wear it. So that's why this is so big. Yeah, but them fit nicely and they look really nice and the quality is very nice. Nice man. Yep. Anyways, that's it for the video. Check out Dance Million Boutique and let me know if you buy anything from her. Okay? Dance Million have the good things. Don't mind me. Dance Million have the good things. Them so go and check her out. Bye.